Hey, good morning. Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. We just put a Aviara 32-foot 2023 boat in our showroom. I wanted to take a quick video for you, let you take a look at it. This has the automatic submersible swim step in the back, boarding ladder underneath this hatch, stadium seating that allows you to sit on top of the stools in the back. It does have the retractable sunshade in the hardtop. Very nice solid surface. With a large sink and cooler area for wine bottles, keep them chilled. This does have the joystick piloting, flush mount dash with all your electronics, navigation, bolster seats, ample cockpit space for plenty of guests. Moving up to the bow area, this has got the filler cushion installed. To remove it, gain a lot more leg room and seating. Come by MarineMax Lake Norman. I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Be glad to show you this Aviara. And if you don't like this one, perhaps you'd like the one sitting next to it, which is another Aviara 32 in a different color combo. Look forward to seeing you.